I'd like to introduce Jenny Grosvenor, who was the instructor in English 1 when Sterling took her course last fall semester. And I've asked Jenny to tell us about the experience of having a Think College student in her course.
Okay, so to begin, I remember when Sterling first came into the classroom, and I remember being asked if that was okay before the semester began, but reminding myself just to have no expectations and not think anything. So when she arrived with her mentor, one day it was Molly and the other day it was Amber, and she was there always. Every class she was there before I was usually, but always on time. She was always prepared for class. When I would talk about something and ask a question, she was easily one of the first students to respond, just with the answer. Just came right out, so that I knew, I could tell right away she was completely tuned in to everything I was saying, probably more than other students only because it was 8 in the morning, and some of them were half asleep. But I also know that Sterling traveled a great distance to get there, and she was always there. Her mentors were very much in the background. They hardly ever had to assist in any way. They were just pleasant and sometimes just doing their own thing. They would do some of the readings along on their own, but they never had to directly assist Sterling in the classroom. It was really more just, they came in with her, they went out with her. She was always prepared, so they never had to lean over and explain stuff to Sterling. She just was always very sharp and with it. And when we'd go around and read in the classroom, Sterling would always read her part very carefully. And when we would do peer workshops, the mentor would be in the same group, so I'd break them into, say, 3 or 4s. But Sterling would be very much on her own. She would read her work. Others would critique it. Others would read. Sterling was right there giving them some writer tips and writing advice. With her writing, Sterling was very much on par, if not above par, with the other students. She drafted much more than a lot of my students. So she really did the process. She took it very seriously. She would have multiple drafts and multiple pieces of research that she would put into her papers. With many of, well, we do 3, so with, say, 2 of the 3, she explored Down syndrome, which was very interesting. And it was, that's what writing's about. Writing is to discover more about what we know or what we don't know, more about ourselves. And specifically in her second piece, which was a repertorial explanatory essay, she brought in, she interviewed her siblings and got quotes from them and pieced it all together and wrote a beautiful piece about what it's like to grow up with a Down syndrome sibling. Her work was powerful, and she worked very, very hard. I'm not saying it came easily. She was extremely diligent, and there's no doubt in my mind that she enhanced the classroom environment because of her energy and this presence of, this idea of overcoming any obstacle that might be in the way. She enhanced the classroom, and she, quite honestly, enhanced my life, because I would ride the bus home, and we were on the same bus together, and oftentimes we would sit near each other, or a couple times we sat together, and she would share the pictures and stories on her, I think it's a Droid, one of those fancy things. And it was just really an enjoyable experience. And like I said, I really think that the other students benefited just as much as Sterling did, and just as much as I did.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.